everyone, so today is going to be a mobility and stretching session. So 30 minutes, pop your nice relaxing music on, find some space and yeah, let's get started. So stretching and relaxing is just as important as doing fitness. So we're just going to take a kneel, find a relaxing spot on the mat and take some deep breaths in. Inhale through the nose, exhale through the mouth. Okay, so we're going to rotate our neck, semicircle. Turn around slowly. Feel that tension releasing from your neck, shoulders. Okay, I'm going to take the other way. Okay, hold it. So try and put your ear to your shoulder. Don't overstretch it though, just as far as you can, okay? Deep breaths in under, inhale, exhale. Okay, switch over to the other side. Then drop it down to the floor, just looking down. Move it slightly left and right as well. Wherever you feel that tension, just slowly move it round. Okay, next up, we're gonna stretch forward, keeping our core tight as well. So we're going to reach forward, and then we're going to stretch back, opening up the chest. Okay, forward, curving our back. Oh, stretch. Remember to still breathe. Okay, so from here, interlock your hands behind. So put them together behind, okay? So we're going to stretch out, so keep them straight. So we're going to stretch out the arms. So push it down, so push your hands towards the ground initially. You can sit in this position, wherever's comfortable for you. To make it a bit harder, so push away from your back, okay? So try and separate your hands from your body as far as you can. Don't overdo it though, just stretch as far as you'll go. Keep breathing. Take a breather if you want, shake it out before you go again. Okay, next one, we'll go into the child's pose. So back, push all the way back, forehead on the ground. Come back to your full position. We go back down again. So relax, sit into it. Sit all the way back. Back into all fours. From here, stretch down. Feel the stretch in your shoulders and arms. Back as wide as you can. Still breathing, okay? Deep breath in. And stretch. Okay, so back to the full position. Next time we're going to put an arm through and stretch, okay? And do it sideways as well. From here, post an arm through, shoulder on the floor and stretch. Okay, and switch to the other side. Okay, we go back into the child's pose and stretch it out. Okay, so from here, try and lift your hands up off the floor. Okay, so you get back up, round that back, and release down into the cobra. So back into triangle pose, round that back up, down into the cobra. Keep doing that. Down triangle pose, up. Over cobra. And hold it here. Okay, if this is hurting, you can hold it lower. Just as it's up to you. I like this stretch. It's good for your lower back. But now you're the only thing that's good. Trying to stand up on my own. Okay, lie down on your front. This conversation ain't coming easy. From here, try and grab one leg behind you. Keep your hips on the floor. Relax your face if you need to. But try not to lift the knee off the floor, okay? Keep the knee on the floor. Just pull your foot towards your bum. Okay, and switch legs. So have your resting arm to support you if you need to in front of you. Okay, slowly release your leg. So we're going to go back up into down dog. Okay, so from here, kick your knees in. Sometimes we work to get our heels to touch the ground. Okay, look it up. So from standing, what we're going to do is lunge back, okay? So we've got our front foot in between two hands. And hold here. And we're going to step back into a plank position. Hold that plank position, remember, keep your core strong. And bring the next leg up. So you can put your knee on the floor for this one, so stretch. Feel that stretch. So from here, sit up. So you can feel it stretching. Try and keep your chest up high, strong, looking forward. Keep your frame strong as well. Keep breathing. So our back foot goes flat on the floor, front foot facing forward. Okay, let's go back to the plank position. And we'll switch legs. Bring your left foot forward. Same thing here. And up. Okay, so from this one we'll switch our weight over, so we're leaning on the back. So stretching the back of our straight leg as far as you can go. And sit into it. Back breath. So keep both our legs straight and we reach down as far as we can. Okay, switch legs. Okay, we go up, back leg up, front straight legs, stretch down as far as we can.
Tell me something, girl. Are you happy in this modern world? Or do you need more?
Okay, walk round to the front.
Is there something else you're searching for? I'm falling.
Swinging down to one leg.
In all the good times I find myself longing for
Okay, walk it over to the other
and in
leg.
the bad times I fear myself. Tell me something, boy.
Back over to the right one.
Aren't you tired trying to fill that void? Or do you need more? Ain't it hard keeping it so hard?
And back over.
I'm falling. In all the good times I find myself longing for change.
So turn your foot to face the ceiling. So we stretch
And in the bad
bottom of our
times
leg.
I fear myself. I'm off the deep end,
You can
watching
come up,
my dive
keep your back straight.
never leave the ground. Crystal
Okay, and up we go. Switch over, switch sides.
shadows, we're far from the shallow now. In the shallow, in the
Okay, back into this position. Down the legs as you can. Keep your legs straight. Try not to bend the knees. Go as low as you can. Just relax as well. Try and let your body just flop. So we'll reach forwards. And we'll try and reach through the legs. From here, just pulse side to side. Okay. Back into this position. So this time, we'll try and keep our heel on the ground, okay? You can put your hands on the floor if you want to support you. So this is stretching our hamstrings. Lean forward as well if you want. At any point if it all hurts or if you feel a twinge, just release from it, okay? Take a breather, shake it off. Just go as far as you can, okay? Okay, switch sides.
I could have said goodbye. I would have said what I wanted to. Maybe even cried for you. If I
Remember to breathe as well, okay? Good time to relax this as well.
be the last time
So it's always good, just as important, I think it's more important to stretch.
my heart into
And if you can do it every day, it'll help your mobility, it'll keep you flexible.
don't wanna feel another time.
It'll just release the tension and stresses of the world as well at the moment. It just helps to make you feel better. Okay, so we'll work our legs in. From here, go down. So keep your straight legs if you can. If you have to bend them, that's okay. Work our way down into a little ball. So we'll try and put our heels on the floor. into straight legs, okay? So heels on the floor, from a squat position, back up.
When we first met,
And hold it here. Hold your toes if you have to.
I never thought that I'd find myself lying in your arms.
Slowly stretching the hamstrings.
And I wanna pretend that it's not
Bend
true.
your knees slightly.
Oh, baby, that you go.
Round your back up when you're standing up.
'Cause my
Roll
world
the
keeps turning and
shoulders
turning and
back into
turning.
standing.
And I'm
Okay.
moving
And if
on.
you're sitting down,
Don't
lying on our backs.
stop.
So this time, I'm going to put one knee, one leg over my knee, grabbing underneath, stretching it up, okay? Nice and slowly. Just pull like you feel you want to. Don't feel you got to pull it hard. Just ease into the stretch. Okay, both legs in the air. Switch over. And grab behind the knee and pull it in.
When you're out in the open and you're tired of hoping, I'll be there in a moment, I'll be by your side. When you're scared and you're lonely and there's no one to hold you, I just want
Okay, release.
I'll be by
So
your side.
give yourself a nice hug. So hug your knees.
Keep me strong.
Rock from side to side. So hug to release your back. So if you can't hug your knees, just keep both knees and rock from side to side. Okay, so keep your knees and feet together. Okay, sit up from there. So this time we're going to bring soles of our feet together. Sit in a relaxing position. You should try and keep your back straight. From here. If you're struggling with this, try and find a towel or a block that you can put just underneath your bum just to keep you straight.
In my head, yeah, I know that I'll be by your side. I don't know about the future.
So just hold
No one knows what the future
your feet at the moment. Just deep breaths in and out.
you my life. You keep me strong when I can.
So when you feel ready, lean forward as far as you can. Cupping your feet as low as you go. From here, go as low as you can. Try and get your knees to the ground as well. That's it. Reach out in front of you. Okay, cross your legs. If you can, have one over the other.
Keep me strong when I can't carry on.
Walk it out, okay? high as you can. If it's just up to here, that's fine. Until you can hold that stretch, go as low as you can. Keep walking them hands out until you're comfortable. Keep breathing as well. If you want to push it a little bit further, on the exhale, slowly push a bit forward. Slowly walk your back up. And you go. Okay, and switch over. Same thing again, we're going to walk out. So you'll feel it in the sides here and your hips as well. Walk out.
I know you're hurting, I know it's rough. I know you've seen so many things that mess you up. I know I'm learning, I know I'm young. But when the shit gon' hit the fan, I'll be the one. Oh, take care of you. Oh, take care of you. And I'll do the things that no one else will do. You run all the things that no one else will do. Like, take care of you.
That's it. And walk back up again.
Take care of you.
Release your legs. Let's have them wide open. As wide as you can, okay? So comfortable. Readjust yourself. Just adjust side to side. Just remember, toes pointing up. So from here, we just gently rocking back and forth. Using our hips. Okay, so bring one leg in and then you reach over. So you feel the stretch on the side of our bodies here. Okay, so from here, stretch down, leg. And switch it over. So bring one in and just reach over. Walk it out.
Take care of you. No, I'll take care of you. And I'll do the things that no one else would do. Said I'll do the things that no one else would do.
Cerdded nôl fe'n islo bach. Nôl I canol. Croeso i gilydd. Just yn adlu
I
fama.
didn't feel it when the earthquake happened, but it really got me thinking. Were you out drinking? Were you in the living room chilling, watching television? It's been a year now. Think I figured out how to let you go and let communication die out. I know, we know you weren't down for forever, and it's fine. I know, we know we weren't meant for each other, and it's fine.
Okay,
But
so
if
Roma.
the world was ending, you'd come over, right? You'd come over
Let's
and
go
you'd
over.
stay
So
the
we're
night.
gonna
Would Would you love
point
me
our
for
knees
the hell of
outwards
it?
as far as we can, okay?
All our fears would
And
be
our feet as
irrelevant.
well. So like a
If the
frog
world was
movement.
ending, you'd come
So
over
legs, knees and
The sky
feet
be
facing
falling and I'd
outwards.
hold
And we're
you
just going to
tight.
stretch slightly back.
And there wouldn't be a reason why
Ease into it.
we would even have to say goodbye. If the world was ending, you'd come over, right?
It's good for the groin.
Right? If
And
the
then
world
work
was
your way
ending,
forward.
you'd come
If
over,
you
right?
can, lift it up in the back.
Right.
I tried to imagine your reaction. It didn't scare me when the earthquake happened, but it really got me thinking. The night we went drinking, stumbled in the house and didn't make it past the kitchen. Oh, it's been a year now.
Move
Think
the
I
outwards
figured
bit.
out how to
And
think
more of a
about
stretch.
you without it ripping my heart out. And I know you know we know you weren't down for forever, and it's fine. I know you know we weren't meant for each other, and it's fine.
Come down to your elbows as well.
Over, right? You come over and you say goodnight. Would you love me for the hell of it? All our fears would be irrelevant. If the world was ending, you'd come over, right? Sky be falling while I hold you tight. No, there wouldn't be a reason why.
So push your shoulder into it. So if you lean to the right, lean to the left. Okay, and we'll go back into the child's pose. So where we first started. Stretch out.
I know, you know, we know you went down for forever and it's fine. I know, you know, we know.
Remember, nice deep breaths. In and out.
But if the world was
Relax into the floor, okay? As far as we can.
come over and you'd say goodnight. Would you love me for the hell of it? All our fears would be irrelevant. If the world was ending, you'd come over, right? The sky be falling while I hold you
Oh,
tight.
sit up.
No, there wouldn't be a reason why we would even have to say goodbye. If the world was ending.
Okay, so that's the end of 30 to 30 minutes workout today. So I hope you've enjoyed. Use the stretches as you can throughout the week. Do as much stretching and mobility as you can. The more you do, the better. Yeah, and I hope to see you next week.